What's up everyone, this is Talkers Tech, and I have a little bit different of a video for you guys. So I just want to give a huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, and that is Polygon lights. So these guys sent out these awesome lights for me to review and show you guys how they can spice up your setup, and chances are if you're into iPhones, you're also into other elements of technology. So these are really cool lights that I want to show you guys that can improve your bedroom setup. And if you don't even have a setup, this is at least the first step in the right direction. So ambient lighting has been a very important part of my life in the sense that I've always been looking forward to adding new elements of light in my videos, and huge thanks to Polygon because now my room looks epic, and you can do the same by clicking the link in the description and getting one for yourselves. So why are these lights better than normal lights? Well, first of all, you can touch them with your finger and they individually turn on and off. And on top of that, you can change the shape of these light bulbs because they are magnetic. So the lights are detachable and they come with sticky tape so that way they can stick on the wall. And what's really cool is each Polygon has magnets on them, and of course there is an area to route the wire that connects into the wall. So you can see there's a little wire that plugs into here, and then that is the part that you run the cable through this area, and then it plugs into the wall. So you can strategically hide the cable behind a shelf, or in my situation I hid it behind my monitor so that way whenever I sit down the wire is not visible from eyesight. But what's really cool is you can turn on and off specific lights and rearrange them whenever you please because of the magnetic design. So I just want to mention that this product actually has a really cool story. So Polygon lights was actually first created by James Vanderpant during his last year in university. It took him a year to develop and create the product, and it began to win many awards for its awesome design. And now James has brought this product to market, and he started his own company in hopes to expand the product with more modular and creative parts in the future. The company values its users to have their own unique setup in the way these Polygon lights are arranged. Because these lights are expandable, you can buy multiple lights and you can have really cool arrangements. So what's really cool is when you order the lights, they come with a sheet of paper that tell you really cool formations that you can make, and on their website you can purchase more lights. So even if these are a little pricey to begin with, as time goes on and you save up, you can purchase a few more lights at a time and enhance your setup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and there will be a link down below in the description for you guys to check out this awesome product. And as always, peace.